Hello and welcome to another update video about COTI. Yeah, COTI was still supposed to reach its next target there at 32 to 38.5 cents. And yeah, we might be getting there, yeah, in wave 5 of C of 3. So let's talk about the COTI structure. COTI's chart is in an uptrend and started this local uptrend or this uptrend in October last year, like many other coins. The idea was, the idea is that this was a B wave swing low in October 2023 after we had a top in a larger A wave, which was here in 2021 in March. So A wave top, B wave pullback, and we could really be in this C wave rally to the upside right now. How exactly it's forming this C wave rally is a little bit unclear to me. Yeah, we need to see how this is subdividing eventually, because if we take it like that, A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, then we should reach $3.42. That would be ideal. Now that is quite far away, and to be honest, I do not get those Fibonacci, let's say, confluences on the smaller time frames that match this outlook. Okay, so I would not know with the existing structure that has built since last October, yeah, how it wants to get there. Okay, so because we're not getting these projections unless it really completely escalates in a very much extended third wave. I'm going to zoom in a minute. I think with altcoins in general, we have to take it level by level anyway, right? So yes, there is an overall projection that can guide trading decisions and support the trading plan, but really it's usually not wise to trade for those targets. Best to take it level by level. You know, any altcoin is typically just a swing trade setup, if there is a good setup. It's not worth, you know, looking at a chart. Okay, what's the bull market target? Okay, I'm gonna pick this one instead of, you know, that's not really. It's more about the quality of the chart, and I mean, the quality of the COTI chart is a bit questionable because we have an A wave corrective rally, a B wave pullback, and maybe this is now a C wave rally. That's at least what I'm following primarily. Okay, in the bullish scenario, therefore, which is currently the preferred scenario, the primary expectation, the price should continue to move higher over the coming weeks and months. Yeah, closer to 342, but to be honest, let's take it level by level. The idea is that we should form a new all-time high in the yellow count, and we are dealing with the next resistances at 58 cents and then 71 cents. These are the next resistances that need to be taken out in the yellow count. The white count is a little bit more bearish. It's actually quite bearish. In the white count, we have an A, B, and this is now a B wave rally. Okay, the lower degree time frame, smaller degree structures, they actually work out better on the white count, but it's a bullish market. So in a bullish market, they tend to pick the bullish count if there is a bearish and a bullish one. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we are watching for higher prices. As you might remember from previous videos, we were still watching for one more high in circle wave 3 to reach possibly 32 to 38.5 cents next. The idea is that after this B wave bottomed, we saw a wave 1 to the upside, which is an ABC structure, a wave 2 to the downside. This here could be a wave 3, which would again be an ABC structure. Then we should see a fourth wave pullback and still a fifth wave. At the moment, it's going according to script. Okay, so we are not breaking down in any way at the moment. We actually have a little bit more buy volume coming, or buy volume. And we see that the recent dip into the support area had a wick below the 50% fib level, but it recovered very, very quickly. So we had that volatility event there on Tuesday. It's recovered quite a bit, and we are already up over 20%. So it's actually quite from the low point, actually way more. So actually 75% up from the low, and we could really be in this fifth wave of the C wave of the third wave. Yeah? Then we should still get circle wave 4 and circle wave 5. Based on this analysis, the relevant support is obviously here, the last swing low. I mean, we had the 14.9 cent level as critical 50% fib level that was that needed to hold. So no sustained break below it. There is no sustained break below support other than a wick, but that's not a sustained break. And yeah, I mean, a break below that level now would, for me, indicate that we are already in circle wave 4. So that's why I gave you the 2 support areas in the last videos, because I said, okay, preferred scenario is one more high in wave C of 3, but the alternative, because the microstructures aren't terribly clear, in the alternative, we are already in circle wave 4, but that remains the alternative. At the moment, I was just watching for higher against the last swing low, and okay, if that breaks, then we're looking at 11.9 cents support. And that's sort of what we are watching then, 11.9 to 18.8. These are at least the next fib levels then, but that would need to be adjusted if the price forms another high in a third wave. Also, please bear in mind that we might see extensions, because otherwise we will not be able to get to these larger degree targets. So it's possible that this third wave extends a little bit longer than just this target area up there. You know, they are just the next fib levels to watch anyway. Yeah, that's my update about COTI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.